Shooting with precision and accuracy at your target is one of the most important qualities you must look out for when purchasing a pistol. After all, what good is a pistol if it doesn't hit the target? No matter how powerful a pistol is, if it's not accurate and precise with its shots, it's practically useless and should be left on the shelf or in a show glass. Since accuracy is indispensable for not just a pistol, but also every other firearm, then before buying a pistol, you must do your own research to know if it's truly accurate and dependable. For that very reason, we've put together a list of the top 5 pistols for accurate shooting in 2024. You should see the pistols we have on the list. If you've been on the lookout for one of these, you should certainly watch this video. Alright, enough beating around the bush, let's jump right into the action. The Beretta 92X Performance is a visually stunning pistol that combines classic Italian design with modern functionality. You don't even need to be someone with great attention to detail to notice its sleek lines and ergonomic grip because they're instantly recognizable. It also has features such as the Vertex-style thin grip and oversized magwell, making it a standout in any collection. This Beretta beauty is designed to deliver unparalleled speed and accuracy, featuring a lightened frame and slide, a red dot optic-ready slide, and textured grips for an unmatched shooting experience. The 92X Performance features a heavy Brigadier slide that enhances durability and stability during shooting. Its all-steel construction contributes to a solid feel and helps manage recoil effectively, making it suitable for rapid-fire scenarios. It's like saying, just keep shooting without worrying about whether you're going to miss. This model is engineered for top performance, boasting a skeletonized hammer that reduces weight and improves the trigger pull. The design aims to provide a smooth shooting experience, which is crucial for competitive environments. You can find this pistol at $1,800. I'm sure you already know that the CZ Shadow 2 is one of the best pistols out there in terms of accuracy. It's a highly regarded semi-automatic pistol designed specifically for competitive shooting. Building on a classic CZ75B design, it incorporates numerous enhancements that make it one of the top choices for sports shooters, particularly in the USPSA production division. For a pistol known for its exceptional accuracy, the Shadow 2 is equipped with a match-grade barrel and a refined trigger system that provides a smooth pull and short reset. Many users noted significant improvements in their shooting performance when using this pistol, often achieving better results than with other firearms they've tried, especially when it comes to its accuracy. The pistol features enhanced grip ergonomics with aggressive texturing, allowing for a secure hold even in challenging conditions. The weight distribution is optimized with more weight towards the front, which aids in stability and follow-up shots. You can purchase the CZ Shadow 2 for around $1,000 in the firearm market. The Canik TP9 FX is another competitive genius in its own right. This particular competition pistol costs just $300, but can cost as much as $950 in some regions. But realistically, this is one of the cheapest accuracy-inclined pistols you can find on the firearm market, and the fact that it performs as well as it does makes it even more interesting. The TP9 FX features a flat-face trigger that allows full forward travel and has a built-in over-travel stop, resulting in short pre-travel and reset distances. This allows you a rapid and accurate follow-up shot. You can keep shooting and hitting your target without worrying about missing. What a pistol to have! Regarding performance, endurance, and rating, the Canik TP9 series has passed 60,000 round torture tests without any failures, meeting NATO standards for accuracy. It comes with worn tactical sights, a MIL STD 1913 underbarrel rail, and a loaded chamber indicator. It also includes a patented retention holster, 2 magazines, a magazine loader, and a cleaning kit. That's a lengthy way of saying it comes with everything you would need in your pistol. And I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say with all these, even for $950, it's not overpriced. Fun fact, did you know that the longest recorded pistol shot was made by a man named Jerry Michalik? In 2014, Jerry successfully hit a target at an astounding distance of 1,000 yards, 914 meters, using a 9mm pistol. That's the equivalent of hitting a target across 10 football fields. This impressive feat showcases the potential of accurate shooting pistols and the skill of experienced shooters. As you explore the top 5 pistols for accurate shooting in 2024, remember that practice and dedication can help you achieve incredible results. As the name target implies, it's a favorite among target shooters, and of course, accuracy is its strongest point. This pistol stands out for being loaded with accuracy, combining classic design with modern enhancements. It was designed in the 1940s as a military sidearm for the Swiss Army and has evolved into a highly regarded target pistol known for its exceptional accuracy, craftsmanship, and reliability. The P210 target features a 9mm caliber, balancing manageable recoil and effective stopping power. Its design includes a 5-inch barrel that contributes to its accuracy and adjustable target sights that allow precise aiming. Still talking about its accuracy, the pistol boasts a lightweight target trigger designed for optimal performance in competitive settings. It also comes with adjustable rear sights and a fiber optic front sight that allows you to customize your aiming experience for improved accuracy. The P210 target also features a precision machined stainless steel slide end frame, which contributes to its exceptional accuracy and durability. This meticulous construction is a hallmark of 6 Sauer's commitment to quality. This pistol is priced around $2,000, but that's not a surprise because it's built with a robust steel frame, making it very durable. So you can be sure of getting a pistol that will last you a very long time. Precise and accurate shooting doesn't get any better with the Walther Q5 Match steel frame. This extremely accurate pistol was designed specifically for competition use. Even the manufacturers had to be precise. And you know, when it comes to competition shooting, a lot of things count, but they don't all include the same weight, and arguably, the most important factor to consider in a competition shooting is how accurate your pistol is when compared to that of your competitors. The Q5 Match steel frame features a wraparound grip panel and an extended beaver tail, which improves its ergonomics and weight balance. This design allows for optimal control and accuracy during shooting, helping it place precise shots even in seemingly impossible situations. Let's talk about how this pistol's barrel contributes to its exceptional accuracy. The pistol is equipped with a 5-inch barrel with polygonal rifling and a stepped chamber, providing exceptional accuracy, especially at extended ranges. That just makes all of these even more interesting. It means the further you're away from your target, the more precise your shots will be. Don't take it too far though. Be sure to stay within range. I mean, how many more pistols can boast better accuracy at extended distances? Not much, I can tell you that. When it comes to price, this bad boy comes with an expected premium price tag of $1,850. Bonus pistol. Before we wrap things up, let's add the FNX 45 Tactical to the list, shall we? This is a handgun designed by Evan Hurstel as a 45 ACP pistol that features a polymer frame and a stainless steel slide, giving it that robust yet lightweight construction. Suppose you don't like your guns making all those annoying loud noises. In that case, you'll like the FNX 45 Tactical because it has a threaded barrel that allows you to attach a suppressor and enhances its tactical capabilities. It also has a double action or single action trigger system, so anyhow you choose to engage your target, it will respond. Its trigger pull is also very smooth and comfortable, and it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed because this pistol caters to both and would give you very accurate shots. You can get this pistol off the market for $1,000 or even $1,099 depending on your location. As we wrap up this video, understand that even though these pistols are highly accurate, you may not be able to fully maximize their potential without practice. What's your take on this video? Do you have any favorites? let us know in the comments below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more like it. Thanks a lot for watching.